trouble with garden maintenance? Koham Remote Controlled Lawn Mower is here to help. It is excellent in handling thick grass. The powerful power drives the sharp blades, instantly crushing the dense grass into uniform fragments, and the operation is efficient and high quality. Facing complex terrains such as roads, highway slope protection, and river embankments and dams, its climbing performance is outstanding. With the support of the steep slope anti-rollover automatic braking function, it can climb even the steepest slopes steadily, ensuring safe and word-free operations. Even in the hot summer, it can run stably. This machine combines the functions of crushing thick grass, avoiding the risks of manual weeding, and overcoming the difficulties of complex terrain, providing a one-stop reliable solution for weeding operations.